Lyco's micro drum screening reduces industrial waste and increases product recovery, while removing more solids than a standard screen design. Our .008 mesh screen removes particles 40% smaller than typical screens, which helps reduce your load on municipal sewage systems, saving on dissolved air flotation chemicals. Lyco's micro drum is ideal for the screening of vegetable or poultry waste after the .020 secondary screen. Rugged construction and cast stainless running rings allow Lyco screens to last a lifetime. Achieve 30% savings on sludge removal and handling costs, while gaining a potential income stream from recovered product. Lyco Manufacturing, the experts in innovative food processing machinery.